ense ya Kenya abariki baitumba bakorentera mangana magia asenchira y'obuikirano emanya mange nabo igobwatira n'Ensoko TV koigeka chingenjo cy'omugusi Ensoko TV oburuso bw'omugusi Tomu chako tengere merobere ito yogosemya na gukumanya yago korekana kera lituko nabariki baitu beandrete chinga kichons asengencho yao eariganie asobo tengari botali no mubwekano Eye n'Ensoko TV oboroso bw'omugusi ya kigimo mwancho muligeri bwegeta seni yeito nambe Ensoko TV ndonse asoro mu basobono nande chia ikire Chinsa kiricho komanya ali agendrete kokolekana kurwa asemesa ito ya Amayia omu basobo negati abo mwancho muligeri nelinga bone kyumbe kilia keko tenere to basombia sense ya Kenya igogia tabirenga ono fair ose transport ilitogwa kana se kigali chikobage commentwa oikase kerengo kyemerongo Ibere na Isano aseme 25% asomo basona bota tebinga kurwa ebi ya mafuta gose amagoli ya mafuta mentete gikilike gendete asoberete nchinguru pino sencho nyango tubwati asensemo yo mtandao Facebook na Ensoko TV nabo igo tubwati asensemo ya YouTube una Ensoko TV kote ikaranso ike tukumanya manga murayibwense no arasoro ngorwa musi Tukuchaka norobotiro no murayibwense umuske William Ruto amona barayibande kuruoro gongorwa gusi nigo bagendrete taro ya magendro murayibwense nigachakire taro yaye asense muye bungi abo machoge chache asaigora bene skuru y'abanyagitali ya KMTC gucha campus nabo igo nigo achake bene bwagachi bw'ikipara senseme eyo na chinsemo chinde ase enseme ye bunge ya machoge barabu mwanchumulira
ya hii college yenu ya Kenya Medical Training Center. Hapa tumejenga na nataka nimshukuru Alpha. Pigeni makofi huyu jamaa jamani. Huyu bwana wenu ni mtu wa bidii sana. Na kwa sababu amefanya bidii amejenga madarasa 8 hapa na pale anajenga administration block. Mimi nimekuja niseme nitamshika mkono huyu mungwana pia. Nimefika hapa kwa sababu kwanza nyinyi ni watu wangwana sana. Nilikuja hapa nikaomba kura yenu, tukaomba ya Alpha, mkatupatia. Mimi nasema asante sana. Leo mimi nimefika hapa kwa sababu tuko na kazi tulikubaliana na nyinyi. Sina hiyo? Tulikubaliana ya kwamba wakati tunajenga barabara za Kenya lazima tujenge barabara za hapa wapi Egetugi. Sina hiyo? Na ndio sababu hiyo leo nimefika hapa kwa sababu pale nyuma kwanza tulikuwa na barabara ambayo tulianzisha inaitwa Omoringamo kwenda huko Ugembo kwenda Misesi ambayo inaitwa nini kule kwenda mpaka ifike Motondo. Hiyo barabara ilikuwa imekwama miaka nyingi. Ilikuwa imekwama miaka nyingi. Lakini wakati mimi na Alpha tulipata nafasi juzi, tukasema kabla hatujaanzisha barabara nyingine lazima tukamilishe hiyo ya Omoringamo kwenda mpaka kule Ugembo kwenda Motondo kwenda mpaka Misesi. Leo hiyo barabara imekamilika, imebaki tu sehemu kidogo ya kilomita 12 hivi. Na hiyo sehemu kidogo imebaki, nimekubaliana na huyu nitatafuta pesa nimalize. Tuendelea matiendelee. Wakati nilikuwa kwa hii uwanja tulisema mama mboga atafanya kazi mahali kuna heshima, mahali kuna maji, mahali kuna stima, mahali kuna cold room, mahali kuna storage. Leo nikiwa hapa, si soko ndio hii? Mumeiona hiyo soko? Tumewapatia milioni 70 ya kujenga hiyo soko, na ndani ya miezi miwili mimi nakuja kuhand over hiyo soko kwenu, ili wafanyabiashara wa hapa hiyo soko watumie, na sio hiyo soko peke yake.
Huyu mungwana anaitwa Alfa, amejaribu sana. Ukiangalia Bomachoge Borabu na Bomachoge Chache kuna tofauti kubwa sana. Ukiangalia Bomachoge Chache na Bobasi ambao ni neighbor, kuna utofauti kubwa sana. Wacha niulize watu wangu, mmonagete Alfa atigare ese jikoni ya Ruto? Agenda tekende Jones kwenda kureta Bomachoge Chache.
Onchumurigiri muraibwense chingakie chigani gara sensemo ya South Mugirango na totigarita setale yumuraibwense William Ruto ni igare sensemo ibuna na gotebyoro ngorwausi nabo igoli tukulia lero ni gamochiria bana siasa bali sensemo iliyo kwa milia serikali asagoteba nigo bagokora siasa mbeta bwatia magenderero nabo igo ni gatebire barayabu tibabwati borosubonde bwonsi baraworoki bokorokia magenderali babere bakora igatia bali banere n'umugavana bwe county ya Kisii umusikie Simbarati na nigo asabira abamenyi benseme yoko mokoboko nabo igo gosaba entunde yae ya kabere uno mugavana bwe county ya Kisii.
Wengine pale wanataka kutuletea siasa ya chuki na matusi na ukabila na ubaguzi. Mimi nimesema ya kwamba Kenya hii hakuna nafasi kwa kiongozi yeyote ambaye anaendesha chuki na ukabila na matusi. Kila kiongozi apimwe na ile kazi amefanya. Kama mtu hajafanya kazi yoyote, awache kutusumbua na matusi, awache kutusumbua na ukabila. Ama mnasemaje watu wa Kisii? Sijui kama tunaelewana. Si kila mtu apimwe na ile kazi amefanya? Ama namna gani? Si ndio? Alfa yuko hapa, si atapimwa na ile kazi amefanya? Si mimi niko hapa, si nitapimwa na ile kazi amefanya? Wale watu wa matusi watafutiwe ratili ya kupima matusi. Ama namna gani jameni? Watu wachache tuko pamoja ama tuko pamoja?
Mheshimiwa Rais, wengi wa hapa ni SDS. Na hawa sisi ukisema Bwana asifiwe tunasema amina. Wanakusikiza. Hata Roho saizi vile wako hivi, Roho Mtakatifu ameingia ndani yao. Amen. Bwana asifiwe. Tigangondole. Omugeni ochirega gosengwa nchamole komoa etami hae hakabere. Nikisema arambe nione kama mnapea arambe. Arambe. Hebu weka mkono hivi mzuri. Arambe. William Ruto, Simbarati, Alfa Miruka. Asante.
Muchimulili toko genda busyo igeka kia matuka make aito muraibwense William Ruto nigo aikirana asebikaro bye county ya Nairobi nakuru ukora libuna orubago rwense muye nyombene ne yoburaibwense nigo rorataguri esenye nchorore asense moyoroche gento keirerete nkwane yo kororekananga nichikobage kuliwe korekana kulinda boniga abo busakuru ase county ya Nairobi na bali abakoligereria okulindo gwe Chinsa chia match ne Chinsoko jiri chiego seba asamaga chaga chire nigo baikiranire asense meyorobago nakobeka ebimwa byo korokinga orubago ru ndochikoba rugotagurwa nigo babeire bo igo bakurwa roboti bagotebya abakenya bande bali bagachete ase Chinsa chiria chire chicindoche batagure chinyomba cyabakuru Chinsa mecho.
Is for the benefit of our future children, the benefit of our country, and I think we are heading in the right direction. And please, let's move together. I also want to thank the owner of this facility for having allowed us to come. The secretary administration here waiting for us. Thank you very much for that. And I think once we finish the process, we will be continuing with this exercise, and ours is to request everybody in the country to support the program because it is for the benefit of everybody in Kenya.
And you will be seeing us around, and we want to complete within the course of these 2 weeks. The whole of this Kirichwa Kubwa, we want to complete. So we just want to tell Kenyans, those who know we are already here, they are already within the riparian, please move out before we
tigaritase county ya Nairobi kiombe gia kiare hosige kurusia bango nigo bono kirabwaterane na baunchoririe ba Eastleigh Business District eliokobeko boroso bwa e-teams umurobeli obogo sangiririe bango gweteraso mtandao kiare nigo bono yabekire abisia ya sense meyo ya Eastleigh nabo bisa babo abarachie kubwaterana na baunchoririe munyakirogo gwekiombe kya baunchoririe kurwa asense meyo ya Eastleigh nigo abasemiri aba onchoririe abo kubwaterana ne kiombe gia kiare kurwa ebango yabo.
Affect people who are buying from Isano. Now, if that is happening, whereby the business people are insisting to only be paid in cash and they don't get documents that are supporting their expenses, then that affects businesses downstream because businesses are not able to claim expenses.
We need to engage our people as a community, as a traders, so that they can pay tax. Tax is an obligation to every individual in his business or whatever he's doing to pay tax. And the tax has different categories, and everybody, you are either in a VAT, a TOT, or whatever basket.
Tokoenda busio mugavana bwe county ya Embu Sislimbarire ruroroboti rwokugikelia hogoitwa kwa bantu batatu ase chiro ya ishiara eyura senseme ya Embu bamenye benseme yo nigo besogeti na kurobekana ase kilibatebete nigo enyagitali eyo ya ishiara itabwati obokorerio buya nabo igo koborwa mariogo barire nigo arureira yobotuki gokorekana sobwango nabo igo eliokobeka bakagerwa biara bali baratokina mamochayo.
It has come to my attention, following demonstrations that took place today at Ishara in Ibere North, that we have tragically lost 2 young men, while another sustained injuries as confirmed by the police commander. I strongly condemn the use of excessive force, including live ammunition against unarmed demonstrators. Such actions are disproportionate and unacceptable.
Wanchumurigeli korwa bwese county ya Embu buna kwaigure zawatenga obutuki bokorekana sobwango tokogenda kiamagia Jubilee yasabire abasani babo korwa sensemo ya United Opposition osikogo sabakwa ekiamekyo kobeko murwanelia bwokoligie kirogo kyobo jumbe ekyo kirakore gosobo choli bakibura korekane sensemo yo Kalau nigo barachiko babagokora bensemeyo batekana nogo kwa koyo kabiro mujumbe bwensemeyo David Njuguna kyaraho osira kwaye nigo bono kwaletire ekiamekia Jubilee go chasobwa manako beke birengereri byabo gekogera nigachorire ase tigiti yekiamekio ya Jubilee.
We lost a member of parliament for Kalau Mheshimiwa Kyaraho the Red, na kama imekuwa desturi ya United Opposition, we also expect to see cloud for Jubilee Party. That was a seat under Jubilee Party. And we as a Jubilee are ready to field a candidate and to ensure that we retain the seat on behalf of those of us in the opposition. We will be talking to the people of Okao, asking them to give us that. But we also want a person who can the development agenda that was there with Mheshimiwa Kyaraho is continued and is not interrupted, and the people of Okao continue benefiting from the benefits that were ongoing or promised, and even more that that member can bring in. Bingine ni kusema ya kwamba we have also seen the hooliganism that we saw at Githunguri, where Kikuyu cultural elders were attacked while they were defending their holy shrine or holy grounds that they consider sacred. And I think it is not a good thing. We have laws in this country that protect sacred places, and we don't understand why Githunguri why that ground should be taken by the government. It is an area that has a lot of historical issues attached to it, and we would want our children and grandchildren to also benefit from the history of that area, which has a lot to do with where we also came from, or we believe we came from as a people.
Mwancho muligereri twekira mweli wa Amayia na ndebe buno igwete ne chinkwana chia almost ke Jeremiah Kioni watebire ngenseme yol karau Jubilee yanjuru kobeko murwanira yoro kwikira butukira mwali bwa Amayia sechi ya itristeka 12 kolende nindo che mu bunge bwesemo ya Kiharu ndidi nyoro nagendete kurwa roboti rwaye asago kwana nabaliki bamangana igoro yoko konga gwa uchumi imense ya Kenya kubwatekana no gukina kwa mafuta gose amagoli ya mafuta kogenda gisara na aye no bwate birengera libya wo mwancho muligereri na bogo totomera go chasi namba ito studio 0788666663 eli chigo ikaikomi onyara kabago konyore birengera libya bigosomwa no uri urachikosomera Amayia nabo igo uchikobago kumanyigunga ninki kegendrete ase Chinsemo asaba Kenya bagendete koba bakochira amafuta kulende enkwanene nagotebiri na mafuta ukwari bichenguru ku Innocent Onyango genda gutubwatia indo chenga oya lero nara nabwata mbange